Hello all, welcome to this video where today we will talk about the evolution of media. Whoever controls the media controls the mind, Jim Morrison. If this quote by Jim Morrison is to be taken seriously, then we are living in a world controlled by all kinds of media. We will discuss about the broader version to include all kinds of media in this video. Mass media is used to depict the diversified media technologies that are intended to reach large audience. For example, television and radio were used as electronic media and newspaper as print media. A new version of communication is available on internet and it is termed as digital media. Let's go back in time and find out how all of this actually started. And then we will in brief move to major milestones. 15th century media. It was the period when the only way of media communication was print media, books, pamphlets, newspapers and magazines. In the 15th century, the advent of printing with movable type began to change the face of the world. Printed books continued to be corrected, decorated and illustrated with miniature paintings by hand. It would be needless to say that Gutenberg Bible was the first major book printed with movable type in the West. It was in the late 19th century that actual media took shape, of which most are still prevailing. Let's move towards the next big milestone of media. 19th century media. The major changes in 19th century gave us gramophone records, magnetic tapes, cassettes, cartridges, CDs, DVDs. It was popular during that time to have a gramophone for leisure purpose, which later evolved to magnetic tapes, cassettes, and then into CDs and DVDs. 20th century media. The evolution of media was in a much more recorded way and can be classified. Cinema evolved in 1900s, radio evolved in 1910s, television took its slot since 1950s, and finally it was the era that laid pavement for what we call digital media. 20th century was the time when we started working towards a broader picture of desktops to laptops and then to smartphones, to be established as high-tech media device. 21st century media. The world we are living in, we have been carrying our mobile phone devices and continuously updating in a way or other to stay updated and communication purpose. Nowadays, we have our newspapers, magazines and all sorts of information from all over the world delivered to our smartphones. Keeping our calendars ready with tasks to be performed, communicating with the near and dear ones has become our everyday task, and our smartphones are helping us achieve the same in a very easy manner. In this evolution of media, we have seen many changes from good. From distribution of handwritten copies to writing blogs and exchanging views has been a long journey for mankind. But it can be taken as a step that leads to a better future. Though it was developed for a healthy cause, it has also been used for spreading rumors. We should be sensitive enough in creating a world where such a powerful tool is used for a much better purpose.